The warden who appears in the widely circulated pictures of former President Jacob Zuma when he was booked into Escort prison in KwaZulu-Natal has secured a top job in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Yesterday, Nombuso Mkhize was named the party's newest Deputy Secretary General at an MK Party press conference in Johannesburg. That was when the party announced its new national leadership, called the High Command, to be headed by Zuma. Mkhize, who hails from KwaZulu-Natal, is a former Department of Correctional Services employee in Escort. She held a senior position during her tenure at the prison and was tasked with handling Zuma's high-profile incarceration. The MK party source told the Scroller Africa that she was very kind to Zuma, treating him like a family man instead of a hardened criminal. That led to Zuma respecting her as well. Senior leaders in the party says Mkhize treated Zuma with utmost respect and they developed a close relationship. Mkhize later left the department, and when Zuma announced the formation of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, she joined it. Zuma was sentenced to 15 months in jail in July 2021 for defying a constitutional court order to appear at the Zondo Commission inquiry into state capture. His imprisonment triggered violent protests in which over 300 people were killed. He spent only 2 months in prison and was saved from serving further time when President Cyril Ramaphosa announced a remission of sentences of non-violent offenders. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.